Hi guys, it's Brian Lofty with Brian Lofty Lawn Care. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change this battery on a 2013 Ford F150. First, take your battery post off. Put them out of the way. And then you want to take your battery holder on. Old battery out. Set the new one back. Then you want to fit your holder back in. Tighten it back down. There you go. Put your post back on. Tighten them down a little bit by hand. And that's how you put your battery in your 2013 Ford F-150 with a 6.2 liter engine. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.